In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can get a knife here in BloxStrike on Roblox. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, first things first, once you're loaded into the game, you need to go up to the top and hit store. From here, you're going to see a bunch of different stuff in both featured as well as cases. I recommend just going directly to the case section, and of course, knives are usually found inside these cases. So go ahead and click on any case, whatever one you really want, for example, this one, right? Look in it and see if there's a knife available as any of the options. If there's not, simply back out and choose a different case, look for a knife on there. If there's no knife, once again, repeat the process until, for example, you find one with a knife on there. Now, these are unbelievably rare, so just keep that in mind. You're going to have to buy and open it for a chance to get the knife. So you're probably going to have to open up multiple cases. But once you do get a knife, what you need to do is back out of this tab, go to inventory up at the very top, find your knife on there, and essentially just equip it from there. Now in game, you can switch your knife using your keyboard. This is usually either just keybind 1 or 3 depending on your setup, but that is the entire process. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.